Polyglass is now introducing our new VertiWrap line of cutting-edge sheet and fluid-applied air and vapor barrier membranes. VertiWrap NPS is a primerless, self-adhered, water-resisted, non-permeable air and vapor barrier for above-grade applications. Reduce material and labor costs with airtight adhesion to glass mat sheathing down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. With superior adhesion, never worry about reworking laps or membranes peeling from the wall again. By creating a barrier against moisture, water, and air leaks, our unique system design can help to extend the service life of your building. Now available in 6, 9, 12, and 36-inch widths, it allows you to use one solution for wall installation and window or door detailing. Enjoy peace of mind with 24/7 access to our industry-recognized field experts for ongoing project support. Together, Polyglass and Mapei stand with you to protect your building from whatever may come. For more information, visit polyglass.us.